In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a contract to a client in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the full process from uploading your contract to adding your signer to placing the signature field and finally sending it off for e-signature. By the end, you'll be able to confidently send a professional contract without missing any key steps. First, from your Pandadoc dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on New Document. This is where every new contract or agreement you send will start. When you click that, Pandadoc will open a new window that gives you a few options for creating a document. Next, instead of starting from a template, select the option called Select File. This is what you'll use when you already have a contract prepared, for example, a PDF or Word document. Choose your contract file from your computer and upload it. Give it a moment to process. Once it finishes, you'll see your contract displayed on screen inside Pandadoc. Now it's time to add your recipients. Look for the section that says Add Recipients. Here you'll enter the email address of the person or people who need to sign the contract. Make sure you type their email carefully, because this is where Pandadoc will send the signing link. If you have multiple signers, you can add them one by one. When you're done adding recipients, click Continue to move on. With your recipients added, you'll now set up where they need to sign. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different types of fields. Find the signature field and drag it onto the document. Place it exactly where you want your client to sign, usually near the end of the contract above their printed name or title. If you have more than one signer, make sure each signature field is assigned to the correct recipient. You can also resize or reposition the field to make it look neat. Once your signature fields are in place, click Review and Send. This is your chance to double-check everything: the document content, the recipients, and the fields. When you're satisfied, you'll be prompted to enter a document name. Choose something clear and recognizable, like the client's name and the type of contract, then click Continue again. Finally, you'll see the email message that will be sent to your client along with the contract. Type your email subject and a short, clear message explaining what the document is and what you need them to do. When everything looks good, click Send Document. Pandadoc will send the signing link directly to your client, and you're done.